Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kelaliat dak beting dak Pynmih ya ko hukum men Khang Khyrdep yakin dur lagi Karkhana ke bidan hagas nong Byrnihat naga jeng Pynmih ke Tdem Jaboh ke bakta ke koi ka khia jeng pat ba bagi pen khenru ya ki anya da mariang Environmental Engineer jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board uba waiba lalu lepentip bagi ni Karkhana ke bla Shah Khang Khyrdep kilang ka Sham Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited ka Khasi Alloy Private Limited Karnalari Ferro Alloys Private Limited, Kapawan Casting Private Limited, FW Ferro Tech Private Limited, bagi SR Bioproduct Private Limited. Ki officer jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kila penlongru ika jenis jurep kindet hakapor Pynmih yaki Karkhana ki bedan hakat laimer tamul kushi banlap laki dan ni emi Karkhana ki bepen kenyi kindon anya da mariang hakapor minsngi bat hakapor Pynmih. Nakaliang jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board keladan kunaru ya ka Sham Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited saulak tingka kat baka Khasi Alloy Limited kelasyak dan kuna arlak tingka namar ka jing Pynmih ya ka Tdem Jaboh. Shushu uba lalu uloong baka jing jurip kindet kandang ye beteng Haribhoi District West Khasi Hills District barhaki bentaw per ka jela kana manlap ki Karkhana ke penken ya ki anya da mariang.
Kanim day kasi nung komila inspection sini actually kanig inspection bangila kanig inspection ko monitoring nila asdang na do ka arfa south ko jong panay benengkong January tata do kanig asngi kanig meet nata meet ro inang inspection biang sa kanig industries na marba nangapor ko sa kapor ngi ay complain nagi brew nagi sinong jong Byrnihat pagi ong ba porman meet kini industries ki Pynmih ya kanig Tdem hakapor bangim lawan inspection nakataka daw ngilawan kanang nan ni hakapor men metro kani kamday kasi ng coming one port men met hagi siya hakatoka arponyo terik ro ngilawan kanang sa do siya sikambari katay sobran sa West Khasi Hills ro to por ngiyabe PTV office ng State Pollution Control Board kadandang away office te kita day jingjaring iban man be mga por day ro kataro ngilang ang lehi ban ya be man na Byrnihat sa do sa West Khasi Hills ro. Tihadin bagi la inspection na do ka arpo south rig jong January ngila yo ban bat kini industries mo ki ba Pynmih Tdem mga porman skiro ngila pa khang ro benta kas ngila pa khang ro industries lang bat ka jing trail lang bat ka office jong Deputy Commissioner Jaboh District ngila pa khang kini industries ki ba karteng ka Sham Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited, Khasi Alloy Limited, Karnalari Ferro Alloy Limited, Pawan Casting, FW Ferro Tech, SR Bioproduct Private Limited. Kini dia improve tali industries bigila Khang hado mentakas ngi. Te den nang tapat ngila pa ro ya ka easy la ni kata environmental compensation. Kamut ka jing siu khajna bakila Pynmih Tdem sabar nak ain sabar na upot sabar na limit jongki tingila fine yaw Sham Century kumba impose ka fine kumba saulak ti bat yaw Khasi Alloy arlak nka ini deki action tang ha ki kendet sngi bingila yo ban le ti ha ki stio artio gila daple gila Khang rutri industries ngila impose fine ro ndrulak kani ka bat kinang ong ipi ba ka way na ka industries ka Sham Century kalawan mi sa office jong iro ade nang tapa ka panma pikini ka saulak kanre naka office jong ang ba simbala penkai ka angim la choban map te kala siwi ka find ba saulak ka ko monitoring jong ikam dai ka ban kong ang ipi ko mo ng menero bat ka way ro kum dai ka bakado man ka por ngin wan ko bini ka surprise inspection na ka way industries te kadai kam dai ka ngin wan man ka por ka man meet man ski kat badan kita ka complete kat bagila kat bagidan pero ngin lai ka kadai ki inspection man meet PE ro ka way ro bagila ka way ka kabram jong state pollution control board kadai ban monitor ya gini ka ambient air ka stack monitoring jong ki borok industries pilai i gini ka way ka instrument jong gi hang ni gilabu pa gi monitor gini industries kini ka instrument gi bu na ka way ka industries man gi por wa borok industries kemudian han ya Byrnihat ha borok ka jalar ko way.
So the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board recently have gone for inspection and they found out there are many industries are not meeting the pollution norms and not compliance with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board. And based on that, we have closed 6 industries which in Byrnihat area, and out of which two have been already imposed a nominal compensation also. The reason for receiving closure notice is non-operational pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier and they have not complied. And based on that, we have issued closure notices. Now it has been closed. 41 industries in the Byrnihat, so not in the Meghalaya, it is in Byrnihat area. So red categories are 5, orange categories are 22, green categories are 14, the total 41. Out of which red categories are potentially polluted industries and orange categories are little less. And green categories are very less polluted industries. So the red category out of 5, three industries which are non-operational, 2 are in operation, but based on our inspection we found that they are having some they are not meeting the they are not meeting the pollution norms. So we have issued the closure notice with a time. We have issued the show cause notice with a time to comply. So
how many days?
15 days time we have given, so that once they submit a report. And if they don't comply with that, then we have to issue closure notice and further action. So actually, this is the data they collected from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Jaboh, the training academy, the Assam side. That is the data. Whereas we have 4 ambient air quality monitoring station located at different locations in Meghalaya. One is at EPIP area, one is in 15th mile and 17th mile Kasi killing area. So out of which 3 stations of the data source, it is satisfactory, one is moderate. So our only 3 are within the permissible limit, one is beyond the permissible limit, some actions to be taken. So this is our status of the pollution from Meghalaya side. But now the most polluted city of Byrnihat is which has flashed in the newspaper and all, based on the data which has been recorded from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Assam side at Jaboh. As far as the report we received from them is, red categories are 20, orange categories are 15, green categories. Green categories are 4, total 39 industries, and the red categories, ours is 5 and theirs is 20, which are considered to be major polluting industries. For this one is For Siam Sensory, we have imposed 4 lakh, and Kasiala we have imposed 2 lakh. As per this has been imposed based on the polluters pay principle of CPCB guidelines.
What about the others?
Others they have we have given time. They have complied to our closer notice, and based on we have not imposed it. And again that's it. No, otherwise also we regularly monitor through our engineers, dedicated engineers who look after this required estate. He go for regular inspection. Based on his report, we have issue closer notices and directions or surplus notice, whatever it is. This is surprise inspection. No, surprise inspection we did also. Then again, by considering the seriousness of the matter, and we sought cooperation from the district administration. Now this time the closure notice, to ensure the closure, we sought cooperation from the DC, and we have closed it.
Kapor kala day bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ka ei ka thong ka bakidon ki ei ki man ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bapidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpwoi tarik urumpang arjar arpsa baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong